how to edit video in Instagram without posting. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will see how we can edit video in Instagram without posting. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, tap on the plus icon from the home page from the bottom of this interface. Here tap on post. Now you have to select the video that you wish to edit. Then tap on next at the top right. You will be taken in this page. Again, tap on the edit video button from the bottom left corner, and here with the help of this timeline, you can add or edit this video. So here you can add audio, you can add text, you can add some clips to your video, add stickers, captions, you can add voiceover, you can increase or decrease the volume, and finally you can add the filter. Then tap on done. So once you have edited your video, tap on this down arrow at the top left. Now again on your interface there is a menu bar. Swipe that to your left, there you will find save button or the download button. Here tap on it. Then tap on save to camera roll. And with that, this video will be saved in your gallery. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.